everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a beauty room tour for you. Probably the 10 millionth one I've done since owning this house, but recently I had all of, I'm like, why am I puffed? Recently I had all of the carpet replaced in my house because we had a flood, so it had to all be replaced because it was all like disgusting and yuck and moldy. So we had to replace it all, so I've had to move my whole beauty room around. So thought I would show you what it looks like now because I've kind of made some changes, some revamps, and I'm really stoked with how it looks. It's cool because I've been able to buy what I want to put into this room. When I first kind of moved here, I just was like, bleh. Put all this shit in here, fit it all in, but now it's all got a place, it all looks nice, and it's really cool. So I really like it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little tour. Alright, so this is my main door to lead out into my house, which is very dark right now, and the carpet is so thick. It's really hard to push the door, so I need to get that planed down, but I think we're gonna go this way. But I have my cool as lights, and then also my dragons my lovely friend Tessa got for me, which match our wrist dragons, so it's really quite special there. So that is my wardrobe, which is full of stuff. I've just organized my clothing, and then I've got all my shoes down there, which I've kind of, they're shoes, just I hate shoe. So that is the wardrobe. So I've got my trophy up here for that my mum made me for getting 5,000 subscribers, so that's really special to me. And then some old bears, and then I have my case, well not my case, but my A-frame thing full of some special knickknacks. So I've got all of my jewelry here, my Barbie that looked like me with pink hair, and then all of my mermaid memorabilia. You'll see it's a common theme. And then dinosaurs, because I am obsessed. And then I've got my Walking Dead action figures. If anyone knows where I can find more of these, please let me know, because they're so hard to come by in New Zealand, and I just want the whole collection. I've only got these three. And then all of my necklaces there. Then I have on this story, I've got all of my Walking Dead pops. Also, if you know where to get them from, let me know, because I've only got Glenn and Carol and Michonne and Negan and Rick. Then also my more mermaid memorabilia. Then my cool as necklace I got from AliExpress. Then I have my Jurassic Park, Jurassic World collection there. My Jurassic Park Jeep, which I will buy one day. I will definitely. So a wee update, I found Alan Grant today. And I found a Tyrannosaurus Rex, so I'm so excited. So I've managed to make that collection a lot larger. And then I found Daryl Dixon as well, so I'm so stoked. So my Walking Dead pops are getting more full as well. I got my Build-A-Bear there that I got last year from my lovely friend Grace, and then she got me these little llamas too. And then my pig from my childhood, little Rick, pop in there, and then all of my cords. Then I have up here my cups, and then I have my earrings I got for my birthday, which are dinosaur ones too, and they're so cute, and my beautiful little mug. Then I have some setting sprays that Tanya gave me. I think they just looked really cute on the windowsill, so they were adorable. And then my unicorn mug, because it's cute as too. And then my little unicorn thing, and then, can you not? Just a little cute box, you know. Just cute boxes and stuff. And then up here I've got some jewelry hanging from these umbrellas that I got for Christmas, which are cool hangers there. And then of course my ring light and my tripod behind here. Then we have my amazing pink chair that my sister made for me for my birthday. She painted it. And then of course my Tiffany doll. If any of you guys know, I am obsessed with the Chucky movies, but Chucky freaks me out too much, so I wanted the Tiffany doll for my birthday, so my lovely friend got it for me. I was so stoked. Then I have all of my perfume collection and some setting sprays up there. And all of my perfume. My scrunchie collection is getting massive. I am obsessed with scrunchies. I love them. I wear them to work every day, so really cool. My new favorite is this one, which I got for my birthday, and it's just so comfortable in my hair. Then I have some Jeffree Star makeup, of course. Hello. Then my Hollywood mirror that my mum got me for passing NCEA, which is school. So I've had that mirror for, God, it would be probably about nearly 8 years, I would say. I've had this mirror. And then all of my makeup brushes here, and I still need to review that. That's why that's there. And then my Tony Moly, which I'm obsessed with, and some certain skincares there. Then I've got some pigments here. I have Skin Frost, some more highlighters at the back, some palettes that fit into these. These are actually Tupperware soup containers, but I don't care. They're amazing palette holders. And then I have some miscellaneous stuff up here, all my Tony Moly hand creams, which I've only got 2 left now. I've used the rest of them. And my concealers, foundations, all of my miscellaneous. I don't actually have that much makeup of like face and stuff, but I've got enough, like lots of lipstick and palettes to last me a lifetime. All my brow stuff in here, some more, just an empty box. And then my skincares and my mascaras and all of this in here. And then I've got kind of miscellaneous in there, my phone, some like creams from the Body Shop, which are amazing, got them for my birthday. And then series containers, miscellaneous containers full of certain things under there. So that is my little shelf. That I actually put the marble on top as well, which I was real stoked with. I wanted to have it upright, but it actually is really unsteady. It's meant to go this way, so it is actually that way. But yeah, and then I've got my nice rug, which I've always had. And then this is the new carpet here, which matches the rug real nice. And look how plush. It's so bouncy. I'm obsessed. It's amazing. Then I've put my mirror here. I don't really know where else to put it, but it blocks out the neighbor's house, which is behind there. So it's quite nice having that there. And then I've got my extra seating under here. Some stuff I need to do reviews on, and then my little YouTube slippers, which I love, some more extra stuff, and then my drawers, which are full of stuff still to review, and then all my nail polishes on top of there, my Jeffree Star bag, which is down there, and then we'll go on top of this desk. So I've kind of tried to make it an L-shaped desk. So that was my original desk. I've put that one there, and then I've put that one there, so it's made it an elongated desk, which I actually like the nook more now. Instead of having my desk was originally right there under those, but I actually prefer it like this. So I've got my normal chair, which I'm obsessed with, my computer, hi, and then I have my go-to perfumes, my unicorn, which broke when I was moving all the stuff, a little candle with some aromatherapies in it so I can de-stress. Then I have my Cartier Pop, which I'm freaking obsessed with, but Trixie is out of stock and I can't find it anywhere, so if anyone knows, New Zealand can't get pops, it's so hard. I also moved my Cartier up here because I found the Chucky and Tiffany pops. These were not in stock when I got all my other ones, so they are so freaking cute. So they are going to live here now. So, and then my Skin Frost are here on the desk because I don't really know where else to put them and display that. I might eventually change that. My dog and cat were in a magazine, so I've framed that because, yes, obsessed. Then I have some miscellaneous palettes along here. I was just trying to make this whole area look kind of pretty. So I've put my rotating Jeffrees, another Jeffree tower, and the smaller lip ammos there. And then I have this beautiful beauty of a shelf. I was actually waiting for this hook to kind of sit on the wall so I could hang all my multiple hats off. My Shannon XO hat, obsessed with. It's actually got some freaking dirt on it, rude. All of my Jeffree Star boxes I keep up there. I just think it looks really cute up there, and I was scared spiders were going to live up there, so I thought if I put boxes there they wouldn't. Then I have my gorgeous handbag, which is here, which is, I got it for, I think I got it for Christmas from my friend Haley, who is amazing, and it's so cute. I cannot wait to use that. Then I have my MAC lipsticks there, my articles, which are framed because I'm very proud, and then a fan and some stuff there. And then I have my Steve Irwin because I was obsessed with Steve Irwin, so I got the doll. He's like 20 years old, I think. What was the year on him? The year on him is 2006, so 13 years old that doll is, so that's insane. Then I have my Kiss Me lipsticks there. I didn't really know how to work out this space too because I had the records that I just had to kind of wedge in behind, but I'm not that mad at it. Then there's another perfume there because it just looked cute. I put all my sunglasses there. I got new ones for my birthday, those ones there, and those ones there. Obsessed, amazing. Then down on this shelf, it's my beautiful little Isabella. And then I have all of my little makeups there. And then I have another shelf full of palettes because I don't really know where to put those. That's actually like a file holder from Kmart. It was $6 compared to that acrylic holder, which was like $30 or $40. So the $6 Kmart like hack, that is amazing. That's where you need to go. And then I have my rings hanging up on here. And that pretty much is the beauty room there. And then I've got these cool lights that I got for my birthday one year or Christmas, I think, last year. And then my other little raindrop lights there, which, see, they light up like that. But because this room gets so much light, you can't really put them on unless it's nighttime, but they are really, really cute lights. I do really like them. So yeah, So that was my beauty room tour, so let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this room. I love it like this. I think it's really cool. It definitely has room for improvement, but I just like it. I think it's a good use of the space. I really, really enjoy it. So yeah, I was thinking like, you know, in this little corner with the chair, I could do some like, you know, conspiracy videos or something like that. It just really depends which way my channel goes to. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments down below what changes you would make or what you would keep, you know, that kind of thing. Give me your positive or your negative input. I'm ready. But yeah, until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!